this crypto airdrop right here is what people have been using to make money for themselves, but the part they are not showing anybody is how to complete the task on the KWTCN wallet. So in this video I'm going to show you how to complete the task on this crypto project called KWTCN Wallet. In my last post I made video about how to register on this application. The registration process is very simple. If you are not on this project yet, all you have to do is to click the link in the description of this video to download the application, register with my invitation code, and you get a welcome bonus of 1,500 USDT. They will give you 750 on Tron and 750 on Ethereum. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to complete all the tasks and withdraw your money, so make sure to watch to the end. So once you are done with your registration, this is how your account should look like. So in this video I will teach you how to complete the task. So let's go. If you are using Android, you are going to see task under it, but if you are using an iPhone, you are going to see C2C under it here. Just click on C2C, then you click on task. So once you click on task, you are going to see Telegram, you are going to see X, which is Twitter, and you are going to see YouTube. So click on join. So once you click on join, you are going to copy this first link. Hope you can see it. You copy it. So once you copy it, you go to your Telegram. You go to your Telegram search bar. You are going to join their Telegram group. So once you join their Telegram group, you screenshot. Yes, you take a screenshot. Once you join the Telegram group like this, you take a screenshot. Then you search for their channel, right? You are going to search for their channel. I think no, this is the upper one. This is their channel. So you join again. You take a screenshot. Hope you understand. So they see the link here. I just click on number 1, copy it. Number 2, copy. Then go to Telegram, search for the 2, join. So once you join this place, you are going to click on upload. So once you click on upload, you are going to upload the 2 image, the 2 screenshots you just take. Then you click on confirm. Hope you understand. So once you select the 2 screenshots, you click on confirm. Just give it some second and it's going to load here. Hope you can see it. Then you click on done. So once you click on done, hope you can see, you are going to wait for them to verify it. You can see pending. So once you are done with the first one, the second one is Twitter. So you click on join. So once you are here, you are going to see join a channel, then subscribe to our X. Hope you understand. So you are going to go to X and search for this is their page on X. So make sure to follow. After you are done following them, take a screenshot. Alright, so take a screenshot. This is my Twitter page. For those of you that want to follow me there, I drop updates here also, so make sure to follow me on X, Twitter. So after you take a screenshot, you come here again, you click on upload. After you click on upload, you click on done. Just allow it to load. So once it load, you click on done. You can see success. Then you go back. So the third one is subscribe to our YouTube channel. You click on join. After you click on join, copy the link. So once you copy the link, you can just go to YouTube. Let me go to YouTube. Or you can just paste the link somewhere else, anywhere, then click on it. It will take you directly to their I'm coming. Let me just search for their username. So you can do it like this. Search for them. So once you search, this is their channel, click on subscribe. So once you click on subscribe, you come to their channel here, you take another screenshot. So once you take the screenshot, you go back, you click on upload. You upload the screenshot you take from YouTube. Then you click on done. Hope you can see success. So it's going to be on the pending, right? It's going to be on the pending for some few hours, then they will approve it. So let me go to the home screen and show you guys something. So if you come to this place that I say invite, click on it and you copy your invitation code, you still accumulate more points before they're listing. So make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. In my next video I'm going to explain how the withdrawal process, how to go about the withdrawal process, and the listing date and other things you can do to earn money on this application. So make sure to subscribe. If I come to this place now, you can see there are other things in this app. So in my next video, I'm going to walk you through everything in this application. I'm going to explain every means you can use to earn money on this KWTCN wallet. So make sure to follow. Click on the link in my bio to join my Telegram channel. Yes, if you click the link in my bio on YouTube here, or the link in the description, it will take you to my Telegram channel. Make sure to join my Telegram channel, download the application. So once you download the application, register with my invitation code. So you also get your own invitation code and have to participate in everything in the application. So see you in my next post.